Hi! Today we're going to do a fire gun activity.
Oh my god.
For this activity, we need one paper towel, one candle holder, one candle, one plate, one spoon, and one fire gun. Fire gun! Put the candle in the holder and light the candle.
You did it finally.
Now take a spoon and keep it on the flame. And now keep it on the flame.
ऊपर.
Now I'm done. Now, great. Look at the spoon. Now take a white plate and put it on the flame.
As you hold a white plate in the candle flame, you see a black deposit. It is called soot.
Look at the plate. Yay.
That's it.
Look at how much ash is this.
As the candle burns, the solid wax converts into liquid and then evaporates to become gas. This wax, which is in the gaseous form, now burns in the presence of oxygen and produces heat, light, water and carbon dioxide. It also produces carbon in the form of black soot that we see on the spoon and plate.